Hi everyone, and my name is Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash and welcome to the Hair Loss Show. In this episode, we're going to talk about nutritional supplements for hair growth, and specifically a topic called cyclical therapy. So stick around.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show. Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the show, and please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So one of the most common questions that I get asked in clinic is, well, what about nutritional supplements? Are there any other supplements that we could use to help boost hair growth? Well, we've talked a lot on this channel about medical therapies, including things like finasteride and minoxidil, and we've also touched on nutritional supplements. And if you go to any health food shop, supermarket aisle, there is bound to be a vast range of hair-related supplements that all purport to improving thickness and growth of hair. So, what's the merit in it? Well, I think there's a lot to be said about it. I don't think it's the be-all and end-all. I think if you're significantly balding, taking nutritional supplements is not going to regrow new hair. I want to be very clear about that. But we do know, and it's a kind of a chicken and egg kind of story, that sometimes people who are losing hair are actually deficient in a lot of these nutrients and minerals. And is it because they're losing hair because they're deficient, or as they're losing hair, they're just churning through their reservoirs of nutrients in their body? So we don't know which is which, but we do know that for a lot of people, supplementing these various nutrients can be helpful and restore some of the thickness and density to the hair. So from that perspective, it is very useful. And there are lots of these nutrients, and we have covered the main ones in detail in a previous episode. But what I wanted to touch on today was how we actually take them. Because taking a whole handful of pills of vitamin D, of calcium, of biotin, and iron, etc., that are all in their individual compartments do help with hair growth. The problem is, by ingesting them all in one go, sometimes what happens in the stomach and in the intestine, the effects of some of these nutrients actually blocks the absorption of some of the other nutrients. So in effect, taking them all in one go, you may not actually get all the nutrients that you're looking at getting or you're trying to take in a particular selection of capsules, or in a combination that's already been built into that capsule. So with that in mind, this is where the concept of cyclical therapy comes in. In essence, what you're doing is you're taking those nutrients, yes, but you're splitting them over the course of the week. So on Monday, you'd take a few that actually are fine to be absorbed together. Tuesday, a separate set that will all absorb together. Wednesday, Thursday, so on and so forth. So over the course of the week, you're actually getting adequate amounts of these nutrients, but you're splitting it up over the week, and so that the absorption is maximized. And these are very good to take in people that are shedding hair, something like telogen effluvium. We know that cyclical therapy has a huge impact on that and can, if you've sorted out all the other issues, try and stabilize this condition. So cyclical therapy has been around for a while, and there are a lot of products on the market that you can use. We've got one that we have. It's called Hair Fact, and Hair Fact basically is a selection. I've got the box here. It's basically a selection of 6 bottles. And they've got all different things, like one's got calcium in it, the other one is, it's got iron in it as well. There's a whole selection, and basically what you do, it says on the side, on Monday you'll take 1 capsule of bottle number 1 and 1 capsule of bottle number 2, Tuesday 3, 4, and so on and so forth. And I thought this was a really neat way of actually being able to deliver those nutrients into your system in a strategic format so that you're able to get them in the most efficient and effective way. By no means is this the only product on the market. There are plenty of products that incorporate cyclical therapy, but I think this is something to think about if you are experiencing shedding of hair, that trying to get onto these to try and help boost those levels of nutrients in your system could be very useful. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Take care.